What's up, YouTube? This is the Umbreon Bandit here. I did do a pack opening, but I couldn't record it. But I'll show you the cards I did get. Here, look at Pikachu. I'm giving it. Here we go. Okay. Now these are the cards I got. Let me get them ready. Okay, here we go. Wait, okay. I got a Luxray rare. My friend gave me a reverse Bergmite because I'm trying to make a reverse binder. So I got a reverse Snorlax, a reverse Bergmite, got a Metapod, a Pidgey, and just gonna say I love Pidgeys, a Caterpie, a Bergmite, a Helioptile, Feebas, Graveler, and a Pokemon fan club. Well, those are the packs I opened. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And Umbreon is saying goodbye. Umbreon.